Hello again, Clark Reid back with you with today's tech headlines. You could do us a big favor by mashing that like button if you like the reports. You can also subscribe so that you hear every time that there's a new report out. Well, you won't hear it, but you'll get a notification. And so just tap that little bell down under the video window if you don't mind. What if there are two of you and you want to chow down from a couple of different places, but you don't want to fork out the cash for 2 Uber Eats deliveries? Well, Uber is coming to your rescue with a new multi-store ordering feature, according to Mashable.com. The new feature on the app allows you to order from 2 merchants at the same time without getting hit with a second delivery fee. Now, this builds on one they've had for convenience stores for a couple of years. Now they're expanding, though, to more multiple merchants, including restaurants. So now you can order for a restaurant and bundle that with a stop at the liquor store or a convenience store, and one Uber carrier will make the delivery, but of course the timing will depend on marketplace dynamics, as they say, according to Uber, like the time of day and courier availability. We've reported here, and it's been widely reported all over the place, that Google pays a ton of money to be the default search engine on Apple's iOS devices. Now, AppleInsider.com reports, should Google lose their antitrust case that the Department of Justice has rolling against them, Apple could be out as much as $20 billion a year. Previously, it had been thought the fee was about $15 billion, which is a chunk. The Department of Justice thinks it shouldn't be more than $10 billion. Well, losing this kind of revenue for Apple would really be a kick, for any business. Anyway, it's thought that if that happens, Apple will just pick up a good chunk of it back by hitting up another search company to be their number one, probably Microsoft and their Bing engine. The European Union Commissioner has warned Elon Musk in a letter that X, formerly Twitter, is being used to disseminate illegal content and disinformation to the EU after Hamas attacked Israel. They reminded Musk that the Digital Services Act, which went into effect in August, sets a very precise set of obligations regarding content moderation. TheVerge.com says the EU's DSA requires X to remove such content quickly and objectively. The EU is demanding a response in the next 24 hours. Seems like this complaint will probably just be another one to go in the EU's DSA compliance file, unless they finally decide to drop the hammer and ban X from Europe, which still provides about a quarter of X's dwindling revenue. A judge has awarded $181 million in attorney's fees flowing from the Cambridge Analytica privacy case settlement. Reuters has reported the fees are part of a $725 million privacy settlement against Facebook, and they came after overruling objections from some of the suit's class members. Facebook parent Meta has also paid, along with its outside law firm of Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher, a bit over $800,000 in sanctions for what the judge deemed to be their efforts to make the litigation unnecessarily difficult and expensive for the plaintiffs. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.